My name is Rollie Harrison. I live in Carmel, Indiana, and I'm in retail sales in Castleton. Before surgery, going upstairs was nearly impossible. It was always one step at a time. Walking was very difficult. Any distances. Work was getting more and more difficult because I spent the whole day standing. Dr. Ginther recommended the Exactech GPS procedure. According to Dr. Ginther, it allows him to align things. It obviously worked and worked very well and still is working very well, and I'm very thankful for that.
When it comes to knee replacement, proper alignment to the knee is critical for longevity. The Exactech GPS creates an alignment to the knee, and we found that again and again to be true.
The last visit with my family doctor, we were discussing results, and he said it is somewhat unusual to get the results that I had. So I'm just amazed and very pleased. I just don't think about my knees the way I used to.
Mr. Harrison's case has been very similar to many of my patients that have come in. Over the first year, it's gradually gotten better and better, stronger and stronger, and been able to do more things. And his world is much like many others. He has grandchildren, has pets, and has a busy, active lifestyle. And he now is able to do that without restriction.
One of the things about the therapy with Riverview Health that I was so fond of was, as far as goal setting, it wasn't to run a marathon. It wasn't to be an Olympic athlete. It was to make me be capable of doing the things that I wanted to do. We were concerned before surgery that because I was having so much difficulty going up the stairs, whether we'd even be able to stay in the house. Now being able to go up the stairs and be with the grandkids and read stories and go outside with the dogs, those are some of my favorite things. I feel wonderful, and to be able to say that I've had the results that I've had, it's fun, it's awesome. I can participate in just about anything that I want to do, and now being able to walk the dogs and be with them outside and exercise them is just wonderful. It means the world to me.